Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart at 8 a.m. Eastern Time on the 28th of January 2018. Welcome to this week's episode of Where is the Dollar Going Next? And what you see before you is the dollar index on the daily chart wound back to the end of the previous week. We said last week that it's most likely that the dollar will continue moving to the downside, but it must go below and close below this base first. So let's take a look at how the market played out last week. So on Monday, the market sold off slightly, bounced from the bottom of the base. On Tuesday, the market continued moving down and actually closed below the base, meaning that the odds are that the dollar will continue moving to the downside. So on Wednesday, the market continued moving to the downside. On Thursday, we bounced back up to the upside to the bottom of the base and then sold off again. And on Friday, the market sold off but bounced when we hit the weekly demand level below. So the question is this: what are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week? So in order to answer that question, we must move up to the weekly time frame. So if we look at the weekly chart here, we can see that we started to bounce up from this demand level below. So the odds are this: the market may move to the upside from this demand zone, and if we don't hold this demand zone, we're most likely to continue moving to the demand zone below. And if we take a look at the monthly chart, again, I've moved the demand zone to the supply become demand zone below the one before it, which was broken. As you can see here, we didn't hold this level. So the odds are this: if the dollar holds this supply becomes demand zone, then we're most likely gonna move to the upside, but that move up is likely to be sold off. Alternatively, if we don't hold this demand zone, then we're likely to continue moving to the demand zone below. And ultimately, if the market continues moving down, as we've said in previous weeks, the dollar may very well go to the beginning of this move to this demand zone below, which is what the odds are at this present moment. So these are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week. And as we said last year, that it's most likely that this will be the top of the dollar for the whole of 2017. And we can say the same this year, that this area over here is likely to be the top of the dollar for 2018. As in, the dollar must go above and close above this zone if it's going to be bullish at all in 2018. So long as we remain below this area, the market's bearish. Of course, until we reach the demand zone down here, whereby we may actually have a move to the upside that may start a bullish move. So these are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe at the end. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart, wishing you the best of luck with your trading this week.